Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you from the Scrappiness design team, and today I'm going to share with you some new sprinkles and sequin mixes by Scrappiness. These are all available at the shop now, so if you would like to purchase them, they are listed and linked below. The first one that I have here is called Watermelon Sprinkles. And you can see the watermelon slices there, and it's really beautiful for summer themed projects. The next one is called Party Confetti Sprinkles. This is really cute for like a cupcake, cake, shaker cards. Really pretty colors. Next one that I have is called Pink Star Sprinkles. Grapes Sprinkles. Really love the color purple on this. Really pretty. Blue Flower Sprinkles. This is really pretty. Next one is called Magical Unicorn Sprinkles. It has like purple, pink, blue, white. Really pretty. Next one is called Lemon Sprinkles. So pretty, perfect for summer projects. Strawberry Sprinkles. Really cute. Red Party Sequins. The red flower sprinkles, so pretty. And this one is one of my favorite, the purple flower sprinkles, so pretty. And then this one is called Paw Print Sprinkles, has little tiny little paw prints, super cute. And the Sweet Candy Sprinkles. So it has like cupcakes, lollipops, things like that. Really pretty. Also perfect for like birthday themed projects. Love this one too. Pink Flower Sprinkles. So pretty. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing the real colors, but it is so pretty. Next one is the Green Solid Confetti Mix. Butterfly Sprinkles. Mix Heart Sprinkles. Really cute. White Snowflake Sprinkles. Red Star Sprinkles. Magical Mickey Sequin Mix 2. Perfect for like Disney themed projects. And the last one that I have here is called Yellow Star Sprinkles. So they're now all available at the shop. There's actually 30 sprinkle mixes with the sequins right now available, and everything will be listed in the description box below if you'd like to purchase them. And if you have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Thank you for joining me, and happy crafting!